Infection control means that bacteria and other germs cannot be transferred to or from you or another patient or us when we treat you. For example, directly from person to person or via instruments, worktops, and other items. That's why our office follows all the CDC guidelines and recommendations to prevent transferring or transmitting bacteria and other germs that can cause disease. We do everything in the CDC guidelines. For example, we use sterile instruments and disposable instruments and supplies that are used only for you and then thrown out. That means there are no bacteria or germs on them when we use them to treat you.